Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable low data mode on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Cellular Settings. Now go to the Cellular Data Options section. Here you will see the option for low data mode. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the low data mode option to turn it on. When the switch turns green, low data mode is enabled. And this is how you can enable low data mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.